my car! I got this problem where if I step on the gas pedal, my car goes forward. Help! Help! It's like it's possessed! I need a mechanic. I better pop the hood, see what's wrong with the engine. There's no engine in the car!